Standard 6th, Subject Mathematics, Unit Angles, Subunit and Angle Bisector. Hello students, today we are going to learn an angle bisector and how to draw an angle bisector using compass. But before that, we will learn what is mean by angle bisector. For that, I have taken here one piece of paper and I have drawn here an angle PQR. Now what I will do, these two arms are of this angle, arm QP and arm QR. These are two arms of this angle. Now what I do, I fold the paper so that the arms of the angle fall on each other. Now this arm and this arm are fallen on each other, and now I fold here. Now I am unfolding. Now what will you see? Here you will see one fold, and because of this fold, this angle PQR is divided into two equal parts, means this one part and this one part. This fold has divided this angle into two equal parts, so this fold is called angle bisector. Why it is called angle bisector? Because it has divided this angle PQR into two equal parts. You will see here completely this part, means here two angles have formed, this angle and again this angle, and these two angles are equal in measure. Now we have to learn how to draw angle bisector with compass. Now we are going to draw an angle bisector using a compass. For that we need this compass and we need ruler. With these two geometrical instruments we are going to draw angle bisector of angle. Now you can draw any angle of any measure. Here I have drawn angle ABC and I am going to draw an angle bisector of this angle ABC. For that, what we have to do, we have to keep this metal point on this vertex of the angle and taking convenient distance, sufficient distance, we have to cut these two arms of this angle, means arm BA and BC. I have draw an arc to cut the both rays, ray BA and ray BC. Now I am giving names to these points of intersection, here P and here Q. Okay. Now what we have to do, we have to keep this metal point on point P. We have to take convenient distance and we have to keep this metal point on point P, and we have to draw an arc inside the angle. Now without changing this distance, we should not change this distance, we have to again keep this point on point Q and we have to intersect the earlier arc. Here we have got one point of intersection. We will give name here O. Okay. Now next we have to join this vertex of angle B and this point of intersection O, and we have to draw a ray. Now the ray BO is the angle bisector of this angle ABC, because here we have got two angles, angle ABO and angle OBC. These two angles are equal in measure, means here the measure of these two angles is equal. Now we can check that is it equal or not. We have to check that. For that I will use protractor. Now this whole angle ABC is 46 degree. Here you can see here 46 degree. Now this angle must be 23 degree and this must be 23 degree. So let us check. Okay, you will see this angle OBC is 23 degree, and again this remaining angle ABO is also 23 degree, means both angles are equal in measure. So we can call ray BO as angle bisector of angle ABC. Thank you.